Hello everyone, we're here at another location. What I'm going to do is just give you a quick walkthrough on how easy it is to turn a house from nothing into what you'll see here today. Take a walk. So as you can see, what we have here is a natural flip, we like to call it. What we do is we pretty much look for a property that's in somewhat, you know what I'm saying, workable shape, you know what I mean? And we pretty much put a few dollars into it and produce something that's livable, something that's beautiful, something that's comfortable, something that's cozy if it's small, or you know, grand if you want to call it if it's big. What we have here is a decent sized house, standard granite countertop. Always do well if you just spend the extra money on the faucet. You get what I'm saying? You can buy faucets for 30 bucks. It's better if you buy one that costs 200. It'll make the entire kitchen look 10 times better. Cabinets, always go with the more expensive handles. Why? It looks better. You can easily get a little white knob or something like that because you have white cabinets. Don't waste your time. Spend the money on these smaller things. It'll either save you money in the end or it'll make you money in the end. Either way, you can't lose. Take a walk back further. Another thing that will always add addition, add bathrooms. Doesn't have to be a full bathroom, but add a bathroom. It'll increase the value of the property for resale. And if you're actually gonna live there, it'll give you another bathroom to use if you have people living with you. Take a walk with me up. Now as you come up, you can see the next thing, recess lights. Throw in your recess lights. Why? It saves space from all of these hanging fixtures. It's a lot cheaper than just one fixture by having 3 lights. And it gives you more lights 10 times out of 10. And you see this is a more somewhat smaller size room, but you add more lights, it gets a greater effect. And obviously, you want to create as much closet space as you can without taking away from the space of the room. This is a 3-bedroom house here, as you see here. Next major thing, as I said downstairs, spend the money on the fixtures. Nicer faucet, shower head, those things, greatest thing you can do for any property that you have. And it's not really that much expensive when you look at it in the grand scheme of things, especially when you're spending thousands and thousands on other things. Lastly, and I know everyone must agree, central air. Always get central air. If you don't have central air in the house, there's no purpose in even having the house.
This custom made routing. You can call us Contractors and Dine. You know what we do.